You are welcome to another wonderful class with Mr. Emmanuel Otwada. And as usual, I'm ready to take you around the world of physical and health education. Today, you will be learning about environmental health. Environmental health is concerned ensuring a good, safe, and healthy environment that is free from danger, contamination, noise, and crisis. A good environment promotes good health. The three arrows of environmental qualities, these are the requirements for an environment to be sanctified as a good environment. S stands for sanitation, the other S stands for safety, and the last S stands for serenity. You see this environment? Does it have the quality just stated? Is there a good sanitation here? Is there safety here? Is there serenity here? Of course, no. This environment lacks the three S of environmental quality. Wow! You can say this environment meets the requirement for the three S environmental qualities. There's a good sanitation, it is safe, and there's serenity in this environment. So this is a very good environment which will promote good health. Unlike the first one shown, which will hamper our health conditions. So let's stick to a good environment. Method of waste disposal. How do we remove waste from our environment so that our environment can meet the three S of environmental qualities? There are different methods of removing waste from our environment. The method depends on the type of waste being disposed. The first type of method used is what we know as incineration. Incineration simply means burning of waste. Of course, the type of waste that is being burnt here, they are dry, solid waste. It involves burning of waste in an enclosed compartment in order to control the release of smoke into the environment. So this is burning of waste in an enclosed compartment. And you see the different structures of the incinerator. The pollutants are released into the air and the ash is released into the ground. So you can see how the incinerator works. The next type of waste disposal is open burning. This is burning of waste openly in the air. Unlike the incinerator, the waste are dumped in an open dump site and is being burnt. This results to pollution. It pollutes the air. Recycling is another method of waste disposal. Instead of throwing away waste which makes the environment dirty, waste can be recycled and be reused for different purposes. So recycling is very important in our environment. Recycling helps to reduce the amount of waste that is being thrown out into the environment. So recycling even makes things cheaper because instead of buying new things, you can recycle the stuffs you have and you are good. Another method of waste disposal is burying in the ground. Burying the waste in the ground is another useful method of waste disposal. When you bury waste in the ground, they decay and they turn manure, which is later absorbed by plants for good growth. So you see, you put the waste in the ground, you dig a hole, then you put the waste in the ground. When it's filled up, then you bury it, you cover it with sand. And so gradually it decays and the soil is being nourished. Importance of waste disposal. What are some of the importance of disposing waste in our environment, of having a good environment? It prevents pollution, It makes the environment clean and attractive. Also, it reduces spread of germs. Pollution. Pollution is the release of harmful substances into our environment. This is dangerous to our health and even other living organisms living in our environment. Types of pollution. There are 4 different types of pollution. We have water pollution, land pollution, air pollution, and finally we have noise pollution. Water pollution is first on our list. Water pollution is release of harmful and dangerous substances into water bodies. As you can see, this is a polluted water, and this polluted water makes the water very unfit for domestic and industrial use. In fact, water pollution does not only affect humans, it also affects these organisms living inside the water. You can see the water pollution has resulted to the death of fishes. Even aquatic plants are not safe when water is polluted. Plants and other animals living inside water are killed when the water is polluted. Some of the effects of water pollution is that it makes water unavailable for use and unsafe for living organisms. Land pollution. Land pollution is release of harmful substances into land surfaces, and this is also very dangerous to our health, because when waste is released into the land, microorganisms and germs thrive, and this spread diseases around us and even release bad smells into our environment. It is not even good to the sight. When you look at it, it looks so disgusting. So avoid land pollution. Then we also have air pollution. Air pollution, as the name implies, involves releasing waste and other harmful substances into the air. Releasing harmful substances into the air results in air pollution. This can be due to burning of waste openly in the air, so this can cause air pollution. The smoke and carbon monoxide release can also cause air pollution. Even vehicles, motorcycles and cars driving on the way uses fossil fuels, and when they are burnt, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are released into the air, which causes air pollution. Then finally we have noise pollution. Noise pollution is when loud noises, irritating noises are released into the environment, and this causes discomfort to our ears and our bodies. So airplanes, trains, blaring of horns can result to noise pollution. I know you've learned so much about how our environment are polluted, and also when we do the opposite of these things in our environment will be safe and healthy for us all to live in. So adhere strictly to the 3 S of environmental qualities. See you in the next class. Bye.